Hey everybody, in this video we're going to simplify the expression 10n minus, in parentheses, 3n minus 7. Okay, so before we simplify, come over here and grab a marker of your choosing. Okay, and we're going to identify the like terms. So I'm going to underline the 10n, okay, and also the 3n. All right, so those like terms. But now the key thing about this is we're subtracting what's inside the parentheses, okay, from 10n, okay? So really, we're subtracting a 3n, and we're subtracting a negative 7, okay? So I'm going to rewrite it over here. So really, this is going to turn into 10n minus 3n. But then remember, when you subtract a negative, it's the same as adding, so plus 7, okay? And because the 10n and the 3n are like terms, we can combine those. So 10n take away 3n is 7n. And then we're going to just add the constant, the plus 7, at the end. So our final answer is going to be 7n plus 7.